Hey everyone, I just wanted to go over the week number 4 quarter 2 module with you guys. So just a reminder, make sure that before class always check your inbox for any emails that I may send you, and also check announcements. So if you click on announcements, it'll tell you what assignments you have due. And for week number 4 quarter 2, once again they're color coded. So you have one assignment due Friday, and it's the fitness goals assignment, which I'll talk about in a minute. And then you've got 2 on Tuesday, which are your calories quiz and your fitness logs number 6. And then 2 on Thursday, which is your mile run and your research project number 3. And I'll talk about that a little bit more. So the quiz, fitness log, and the mile are pretty standard. You guys should know how to do those, but I'll still talk a little bit about them just for anybody that's new to the class. So to access these assignments, you're going to click on modules. And if you notice when you get to your week number 4 quarter 2 module, you'll see that everything's kind of grayed out and you can't click on it. But when you click on the instructional video, so this video right now that you're watching, once you watch this video, it unlocks your assignments. So if that happens with other classes, that's probably what's going on. So once you watch the video, you're going to click next, and then it'll open up your assignment. So I'll show you. Go back to modules. Notice how all the assignments are unlocked now. So just make sure that if you see complete all items up in the top corner, certain things are locked and you can't access them until you open up the files in front of you. Okay, so for our fitness goals, you have until the end of the week to do this. So we worked on this a little bit in week 2. So in week 2, we set 3 fitness goals. I asked you to make them measurable, make them reachable, measurable, but it's time to reevaluate them now. If you're new to the class and you haven't created your fitness goals, that's fine. You can work now on creating new fitness goals. So you're going to either take a moment to reflect and see if you've reached them, or you're going to go create 3 new fitness goals. And if you don't like the goals that you created and you're like, oh, you know what, these are kind of silly, you can create new ones. Okay, so I put an example of what it should look like. So week number 2 goals, this is what you guys, maybe someone initially created: perform 30 push-ups without stopping, run 1 mile in under 8 minutes, lose 10 pounds by December. And then for your evaluation, I can only do 20 without stopping, so you're going to keep the same goal, which is fine. I can run a mile in 7:45 now, so the new goal is to run it in 7:15. So it's an improved goal. And then this one's, I only lost 5 pounds. My new goal is to lose 10 pounds by February. So, you just basically updating your goals. If you decide, like the running one, oh, I accomplished my running goal, so now I'm going to try a different goal. I want to work on leg strength. So you can create a leg strength goal. So just make sure that they are measurable, though, that you can see a difference through measurement. Don't just say, I want to get stronger, because we can't really measure that. Don't just say, I want to be toned. How do you want to be toned? So basically, when you do this assignment, you're just going to click submit assignment. Easiest thing is to either put it in a file or just text it, put it in text entry. So you could just put, your feedback right here. And then once you're done writing, you just click submit assignment and you're good to go. So that one is, and this one's not due till Friday, so you have time. And then if we go back to your Tuesday assignments, you've got 2 assignments Tuesday. So you've got your what are calories article. So you're going to read the article. And then once you're done with the article, you're going to go ahead and go to the quiz. And once again, the quiz is 10 points, 10 questions, time limit's 30 minutes. So by clicking take the quiz, it'll start the quiz, and then you'll be good to go. And then the next assignment is going to be your fitness log, book number 6. So it's really important you guys get workouts in before the holidays. I know a lot of people like to eat a lot of food, so it's just great to get some exercise, hopefully burn it off before you put it on. So you have a 30-minute workout today, and you can choose whatever you want to do. If you're already an athlete and you're doing the conditioning workouts with the sports teams, just be specific about what you're doing. Okay, don't just say, I went to softball practice for 2 hours and yeah, I'm tired. No, I want to know what you did. Did you throw for 10 minutes? Did you swing the bat for 15? Did you do sit-ups, push-ups, whatever? Be very specific. Same thing if you were playing football or basketball, put all that information down. Okay, that way if I were a person that were reading your fitness log, I could go out and duplicate the workout exactly how you did it and do exactly what you did. Okay, so just be as clear as possible. If you don't want to work out as far as doing a fitness log and you want to just go out and do a 1 mile run, walk, or whatever, track it on your Nike app or your Strava app, and then just upload the picture like you would a normal cardio Thursday. Okay, that's fine. You can do that as well. So I've had students do that too. So you have options. And if you have any questions regarding any of them, please email me, let me know. Because I know fitness comes in different forms. So just let me know what if you have questions about what you're going to do. And then the point breakdown is going to be date of exercise session, which should be for Tuesday. And then what exactly you did your entire workout. So like I said, be thorough, and you get 5 points for that. 2 points for writing the duration of your workout. How long did it take you? It should be at least 30 minutes. And then exercise intensity. So how difficult was it? And that's 2 points. So this will be a total of 10 points. Okay, so and then in order to fill that out, you're just going to, same thing, click submit assignment, and you can fill it out either in a file upload, a text entry. You can put, if you have it on a Google Doc, give me that info. If you have it saved in your Google Drive, just insert the file to me and just click submit, and you're good to go for that one. And let me go back to the next assignment. So those are your 2 assignments for Tuesday, and then you've got 2 for Thursday, and you guys have the mile run. So once again, for the mile, there's 3 ways to do the mile. You can run indoors, you can run outdoors, or you can do the Metaconda workout, which is an exercise video, and record 10 minutes of that. So your running outside instructions are going to be right here. And reminder, these are the point breakdowns for what I want to see. So 2 points for distance, 3 for the map. And when I say map, I want to see where you ran. I don't want to just see a map. I want to see the map, the course, what you actually did. If I don't see that, you're not going to get your points. And then 3 points are awarded for mile time and 2 for the date. So make sure you have that if you're doing the outdoor run. And if you're doing the indoor run, you need to have take a picture of your treadmill dashboard. Make sure you have a post-it with your name, the date, and then the word of the week this week is thankful. You get 2 points for that. You'll get 3 points for distance, 3 points for time. So that's a total of 10. And then for your Metaconda, you get 10 points for giving me 10 minutes worth of your Metaconda workout. And a really easy way for you to record your workout, if you go to submit assignment, go straight to media, and if you click record upload media, that the camera will pop up and you can record straight from Canvas, and it uploads really easily. I'm able to view it. It's fine. If you're having trouble uploading your media, this might be the way to go. I haven't had too many problems viewing these, and people have been able to upload them pretty easily. If you are having trouble sending me your video, your recordings, email them to me, but in the file upload, or actually the text entry, you're just going to write, I emailed you my assignment, and then just hit submit. That way I can check the assignment that you submitted something and go in my email and look for it. Okay. And last but not least, you have your last assignment, which is going to be your exercise research project. So same thing, you're going to research a topic. So this week we're going to be working on nutrition. I've listed a bunch of different diets here. You can choose from these. If there's another one that you are familiar with that you want to talk about, that's fine. You can do that as well. These are just a few that I Googled and thought these are some interesting ones. Some of them are fad diets, some of them are lifestyle changes, but you're going to write 2 paragraphs about these diets, one about like maybe the history of it. The second paragraph could be about like what kind of food can you eat. But just make sure you're as thorough as possible. In order to do that, do not copy and paste the information. Put it in your own words. Okay. Make sure you use your own information. Don't just copy things off the internet. That's not what I want to see from this activity. And then to do it, you're just going to click load exercise research project in a new window, and then it should work. It's not going to be set up for me because I'm a test student, but it should work for you guys. So if you go back, and if you have any problems with it, please just email me and let me know. And those are your activities for this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'm more than happy to meet with you on Zoom. I'm open for office hours every morning from 9 a.m. to 9:50. Just let me know when you want to meet, and I'll email you a Zoom link. Or if you want to meet during class time, I can do that as well. Okay, if not, good luck next week. Hope you guys have a safe holiday. don't eat too much, and make sure you're still getting some exercise. Thank you. Have a good day.